Good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had informed that today we will release a video on how to use our updated MST iCore 2.0. Due to some technical issues, yesterday we could not release that video. So today we are again recording and we will be posting today. So we all know that how to use our indicator. Once again I tell you from the basic. So what you have to do, you please go to tradingview.com. Just type tradingview.com in the browser. Then select whichever script you are going to trade. Then select the see more on advanced chart. So by now the indicator, if you have purchased from us, it will be there on your chart. This is the chart, so it will be available on your chart. Suppose if it is not there, go to indicator, select favorite and select MST iCore 2.0 by MST School of Trading updated on October. Just add, that's all. Okay, so now we have got our indicator and some lines are drawn here. These lines are drawn before the candles are reached here. Okay, so now what you have to do, you don't do anything, by default just keep it. If market has opened here, if market has reached first here, then you have to sell. If it has reached first here, then you have to buy. Whichever triggers first, that side you have to trade, other side you have to ignore. This is very basic rule. I am repeating. Whichever triggers first, that side you have to trade, other side you have to ignore. If you are a risky trader, you can trade both sides. Okay. How to identify the reversal point? Those things we will teach you in this video itself. So now as per this, sell only got activated. So we have to remove the other orders. Go here. Select, remove other orders and keep only sell entry. So first sell and first sell targets and first sell SL. See yesterday what happened? It went to sell entry and we got sell entry, then it has given first target, second target, third target and further it has fell down. So now you have to enable the extra targets. First sell extra targets. See the beauty. First target done, second target done, third target done, fourth done, fifth done and sixth done. Exactly all targets done. Yesterday low was 5607 and our last target was 5609. So now everything is perfect. Now we should identify before I telling you how to identify the reversal point, I tell you, suppose if SL hit, suppose imagine we have the sell is not triggered yesterday, only buy only got triggered yesterday. So in such cases what you have to do? So this is assumption. Yesterday we got the entry perfectly, we have got all the targets. Suppose I am telling yesterday this value sell is not executed, only buy only got executed. In that case what you have to do, see here, this will be our stop loss for the buy entry. See here, I am removing everything, first buy targets and first buy SL. Okay, so here what happened, SL has triggered. SL is not actually triggered. For explanation, for you to make you understand, I am telling this. So now SL hit. If SL hit in the first buy or first sell, immediately we have to go for reverse entry with the double lot. If you had taken only one lot in the initial trade, then you have to take two lot. If you have taken two, you have to take four. So whatever lots you have taken, you have to double it. So now you have to enable second buy, second sell. So second sell targets and second sell SL. Okay, so now you could have entered here two lots at 5683 for the targets of 5657. See, target hit, second target hit, third target also hit, only 1 point is missed. So almost all the 3 targets done in the second entry also, which means what, we got loss in the first entry, but we have recovered it and we are in a profit since we have taken the double lot. The same procedure you have to follow for the buy entry. So this is the basic strategy. This is the basic strategy. Now what we have advanced method? What advanced method we have? So this also you will know in advance. Okay. So every day you keep monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. Also you add this MST top pivot and bottom pivot. So this is the advanced version. Now what we are telling? We are telling this one, this is the demand zone and this is the supply zone, which means when market has reached here, if none of the candle is not closed below this 3 line, then you can go for the buy entry, and the target will be positional target, and first target will be 5842 in the range of 58422, 5855 and 5868. This will be the target. So yesterday exact reversal we have got and all the targets achieved. This is the demand zone, which means what, here sellers are ready for selling their script. So here if none of the candle is not closed here, if there is, see here, this is the entry, if you have got another red candle here, then it is the confirmation candle. So now market will fall down to again 525629. So this is how you can do. This is one method. So you can do with normal candlestick, or you can do with Heiken-Ashi candlestick, or you can do in weekly also. So every day we will not get this kind of huge movement, right? So in a month we may get hardly 1 or 2. So you can, sometime you will get from the weekly reversal also. Weekly reversal also. Sometime you will get from 4 hours. So the last 4 things you have to keep in mind. So yesterday in copper we have got the entry. Where is the copper? Copper, I show you. See, yesterday in copper we got buy entry here. First buy here and see how many targets are achieved. First buy SL and first buy extra targets I am keeping. So yesterday 4 targets done in copper and the entry is very perfect. The entry is very perfect. So here buy got activated, immediately target hit. Once again it has come down, it has active. So here how to decide? So first target achieved, we have booked the profit. Second time, by default you can go for the second time. But how to avoid and how to take the re-entry? The thing is very simple. Look at the candle. Look at the candle. If this candle has closed below this entry point, okay, if the body of this candle is closed below this entry point, you have to avoid that trade. Okay, now you can revise the time frame to weekly or monthly or Heiken-Ashi, so that you can take the entry a little down. If the candle has closed above this line and immediately there is a green candle followed by the red candle, so it is the confirmed entry, confirmation for the entry. You can take maximum number of lot, but don't increase the lots immediately. Keep following the same number of lots you are trading, but I'm telling this is the confirmation call. Okay, so this is one method. See, the same procedure you have to follow for the sell entry. Suppose yesterday in crude oil, what happened? This candle is the perfect candle. Immediately you have got the entry, but the low of the second candle should be broken. If it is broken, see this line, once this is broken, immediately you have got the very huge fall. But unfortunately yesterday what happened, this low of the candle is not broken initially, and the candles has closed, the candles have closed above the sell entry. So in such cases, what you have to do, we can avoid the trade. Sell entry we can avoid. Okay. Otherwise, you just go here and change the time frame to 1 week. Change the time frame to 1 week. Okay. Now we are getting the entry 5791. We are getting the entry 5791, but the high made was only 5776. Okay. See next one, next to that, immediately there is a red candle. There is a rejection candle followed by a red candle. So the red candle confirms that we can go for the re-entry. Once the low of the red candle is broken, we are getting 100% confirmation that market is going to fall. So now the entry will be second candle low 5759. When low is broken, what you have to do, the closing price of that candle. What is the closing price of that candle? 5762. So next candle will give you 62 entry. See the high, it is 5764. Our entry is 5762. The high made 5764. Even the next candle also, the high made 5765. So now we have got the confirmation for our entry that we can go for the sell from first sell 5763. So all the targets were achieved successfully. All the targets were achieved successfully. So this is how we have to trade. So if you have traded only one trade, yesterday itself in one side you could have booked some 150 points, and other side you could have booked some 160 plus points. Now how to identify the reversal? Select the time frame to 1 month. Okay. Enable first buy targets, first buy SL, first buy extra targets. So this is our reversal point. See, none of the candle has closed below. Immediately we have got the entry. So we can go for the reversal entry. In a monthly setup, you can be ready with the pending order. Immediately it will come, it will just touch the line, then it will go up. And if you are a safe trader and if you want to see the confirmation and all, then you can wait and book the trade. See here, now we have given small SL, big SL and normal SL. So if you want to book 1:2 ratio, what you can do, always keep the SL small and increase your target normal targets. Okay. Now your stop loss is small, but your targets are big. So if you are doing like this, out of 10 trades, if you are losing some 2 trades, you will be in a huge profit. It is not 1:1, 1:2. Now we can give big target also. So which means what? It is 1:2.5 or 1:3, around 1:3. So the stop loss is very less, the targets are big. So the high made 5884, our fifth target is 5887. See this accuracy. And each line you can use this as the support and resistance. So this is how we have to trade. It's very simple. The condition, people are asking me, sir, why you are changing the time from day to weekly? Because there is a signal, there is an indication that market is going upside. The power of this candle is more. So that is the reason I am not immediately going for sell and I am waiting for the entry. See, yesterday in Bank Nifty what happened? Yesterday perfectly market has went up and it has given the sell entry. See the high 38,049 and our entry is 38,047. So perfectly we have got the entry. So let us see whether we have got the target or stop loss. We got the target exactly. The target is 37,876 and the low made was 37,862. So perfectly we have got the entry. So day before yesterday what happened, let us see. So this is our first entry. market has opened here, it has not reached our buy entry, it has reached our first sell entry. Okay, so now this candle is our avoiding candle. We should not go for sell entry here. So in such cases, what you can do, you have to change your time frame to 1 week, the immediately next one. See the magic. Exactly, we have got the entry here and it has reached our buy entry. This is the big target, means sell entry to buy entry to sell entry. Otherwise you can follow target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay, now see how many targets have been achieved. So all the 3 targets were achieved successfully with the perfect entry. So this is how you have to trade. This is how you have to trade in any script. And people are asking me how to trade with stock. So if you want to trade with stock using this indicator, what you can do, go to Alice Blue or any other NIC website or other website and select top gainers and top losers. In top gainers, don't go for sell entry, avoid the sell entry. If you are getting buy entry, only take buy entry. In top losers, avoid the buy entry. If you are getting first sell entry or second sell entry, go for the sell entry. Very simple. The movement will be very good and you can earn good profit. You can come out of the market. This is one technique. Then other technique, we had promised that how to trade with Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, we have a special strategy. We will release one more separate video for Bank Nifty, and we have one trend zone also. Whenever the market, the candles are above these 3 lines, then market is in a bullish trend. So for that, what you can do, you go here and select the time frame to 1 hour. Okay, now you can see what is the trend of the market. If you want to trade positionally, what is the trend of the market, that you can see. 2 days before, if you watched our Telegram channel, we had informed that you have to buy Bank Nifty here. So based on this trend zone only, I have given the buy call. This one, see exactly from here it has reversed. How many points we have got? From 37,000 to 38,200. 1,200 points we have got just in 5 days. So this indicator will be helpful for your lifetime. There are many things I have given here. An extra moving average is also we have given. So if you want, you can select simple moving average or EMA, WMA or SWMA or VWMA, whichever you want you can select. You can give the input based on your convenience. You can give the numbers based on your convenience. Okay, that's all. The basic strategy says very simple. Once again repeat. In the morning after 9:35, you have to enable with the default settings. You have to wait for the market to reach either side, either it has to reach sell side or buy side. If sell side reached, go for sell entry. If buy side reached, go for buy entry. If buy activated, ignore the sell. If sell activated, ignore the buy. That's all. If you don't know how to see the rejection candle or powerful candle, when to change the weekly format, when to change the monthly time frame, don't worry, you just ignore it. You just simply follow with the default settings. Every month you will get minimum 20% to 40% profit. But you should be ready with the reversal entry also. So why we are telling this? Why you have given this different type of SL? When first entry is given, you can keep it in small SL. If the market is very volatile, then the small SL will not be enough. That day you have to change to normal SL or big SL. Similarly, when you are trading with nowadays naturally is having more volatility, the small SL will not be enough. So for that you have to change to big SL, and target also should be big. So that the volatility can be matched. It can be managed. Otherwise, in volatility, we will have to lose our money. But per day only one trade. If SL hit, then only we have to go for the reversal entry with the double lot. This you should not forget. And don't change your script every day. Today you are trading in crude oil, tomorrow you are trading in silver, and day after tomorrow you are trading in gold. You should not be doing so. If you are trading in crude oil, you should keep trading in crude oil for minimum 6 months so that you will get consistent profit. And don't ever stop trading based on this strategy. Every day you have to trade. If you are following these rules and regulation, you will never lose your money, and you will get your confidence increased. You will not go for any calls. See yesterday what happened in the gold. Okay, I will keep it in default settings. Default setting, that is reset. So yesterday what happened? Market opened here, it has reached up, sell entry not activated, it has come down, buy entry not activated, again it has reached up, sell entry got activated. See, sell to buy, exactly target hit. This is the big target. If you want small targets, then you can enable the first sell targets. It also achieved successfully, and again from first buy to target hit. So here how to decide whether you have to go for re-entry or not. This red candle, it is telling we should avoid the buy, but immediately the next green candle, it is telling we should go for the buy when the high of the green candle has broken. So this is the method, very easy, right? And also I told you, see here, this candle is the, we should avoid the trade because it has closed above the sell entry, but immediately next candle, next two candles are not having any strength, bullish strength is not there, but followed by there is a red candle. Immediately the low of that candle is broken. Now the closing of this red candle should be the entry price. The closing of the price is 46,935. See the next one, 46,931, almost it has reached, and next time also we have got the entry 935 exactly, and 938 second time. So this is how you have to trade in any script. It's very easy. So hope it is understood. So all of you please subscribe to our indicator. This is not the indicator, this is the tool. Okay, which will be very helpful and which will make you a professional independent trader. Once you paid, that's all. You don't have to pay anything for anyone for any month. Lifetime it will be free for you. So whoever is interested, please contact us. Our customer care executive will be helpful for you. They will guide you. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and recommend your friends to join our YouTube and Telegram channel for free for the updates. So in forthcoming weeks, we will be releasing a number of strategy for free, different strategies that using this indicator, you can apply that strategy in this indicator and you can mint money. Okay, thank you all. We will try to release other videos in other languages also. The same content will be there. Any doubts, you can call us at +91 950000 9154. First, you please text us in Telegram or WhatsApp. If anything emergency or if you are in loss something, if you need any help immediately, then you can call. If you are texting immediately, our people will guide you through WhatsApp text. Thank you all for having spent your time. Please watch this video again and again so that all your doubts will be cleared. All the best.